It's the wild habitat of Phallus impedicus, or commonly known as stinkhorn mushroom. These phallus are very interesting species. They are ephemeral. In Goa they come generally in the last week of June and continue till end of July with increasing soil moisture and litter recomposition. Some are suspected to be ectomycorrhizal. This is a beautiful common species of Phallus indusiata. This is the indusium, or a skirt-like feature which is very common in phallus of this type. The gleba is very sticky, slimy, and contains millions of basidiospores, which are picked up by these insects and dispersed elsewhere. So this is a species which is totally dependent on various types of flying insects like flies, fruit flies, for its basidiospore dispersal. For that purpose, it secretes very strong smelling chemicals which can be smelled from a distance. We do not know the exact nature of these chemicals, whether these are some sort of pheromones which are attracting the dispersing insect species. Very rarely we come across slugs or snails devouring this mushroom. This mushroom develops from egg stage, which is a slimy stage, and within 12 to 24 hours it grows to this size. In Microlab of Goa University, we have done certain experiments with immature egg stages, and we have found that we can artificially produce these mushrooms overnight from the egg stages. The egg stage seems to have a very powerful slimy polysaccharide which is not fully characterized. This mushroom is an excellent model for studying developmental biology, and also it gives us an idea of the ephemeral nature of the skirt mushrooms or stinkhorns. In China, these are artificially cultivated and used for medicinal and edible purposes. You take an all-around view of the mushroom from all the possible slides as I am rotating the camera, so that we can capture these moments. The temperature is about 30 degrees Celsius, humidity is 90%, and the location of this specimen is very close to the management department building in the Goa University campus on Talegaon Plateau in Tiswadi Taluka in North Goa district in Goa state of India. I am recording this on 29 June 2015, Monday at around 9:58. Indusium. We have very little knowledge of the details of this. It's a beautiful natural microarchitecture, because there must be a very specific genes which are controlling this network. It's like a mesh. What could be the functional purpose of this intricate indusium? Whether it is some sort of trap, or whether it is some sort of attractive feature, whether it is producing some sort of volatile chemicals, as with respect to the gleba, we don't know much. Possibly it is attracting flies, because many flies seem to sit on this. Like one has come there, two flies.